Hi guys! This is our series on English phrasal verbs and I'm here again to teach you two more phrasal verbs. As always, to make it fun and interesting, we're going to use your favourite TV shows. So what is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a verb that comes with another word that modifies its meaning. Today, we're going to look at the verb to call. Now, we have many different phrasal verbs with the root to call, but today we're just going to focus on two of the most common ones. Keep watching this video to see if you've heard these two phrasal verbs before. First, I want you to watch this clip from the TV show Friends. Monica is preparing food for Ross's ex-wife's wedding, but his ex-wife arrives very distressed with some bad news. Pay attention to the sentence she says. Look out for the phrasal verb.
What's the matter?
Nothing. Okay, everything. I think we're calling it the wedding.
What?
You're still gonna pay me, right?
So the word that we cut is the one that changes the meaning of the verb to call. Could you guess the word that was cut? If not, we're going to watch the clip again. And this time I'll give you two choices. With them, the verb to call can either mean 1. To cancel something, or 2. To confront someone when you think they've done something wrong. So try again and pick the right word based on the context.
What's the matter?
Nothing. Okay, everything. I think we're calling it the wedding. Okay, everything. I think we're calling off the wedding.
Did you get it right? Let me explain why off is the right answer. When you add the word off to the verb to call, it changes the meaning. It no longer means simply to call someone or shout on someone. Now, it means to cancel something. Call out means to confront someone about their behaviour if you disagree with it. For example, she called him out for his sexist comments. Do you see the difference here? There are other common phrasal verbs with the root to call, like call on or call up. These can be found in your Mosalingua app. There you'll also find lots of tips and tricks about how to learn phrasal verbs easily. You'll also find lots of useful language learning advice. I'm certain that you'll be using these phrasal verbs like a native speaker in no time. Check the links below and on the screen to download the app for free, and I'll see you again soon for another video on English phrasal verbs.
If you learned something new from this video, give it a thumbs up. Then, hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Have a look around our channel for more hacks and tips. And if you're watching on another social media platform, like or follow our page. See you next time.